Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn C programming on mobile. First, you'll need to install a C compiler application on your mobile device. There are several excellent options available that provide a complete development environment. Make sure to choose one that includes a robust code editor and a debugger, which are essential tools for writing and troubleshooting your programs. Also, confirm your device has at least 100 megabytes of free storage for the app and your projects. Once your environment is set up, focus on mastering the fundamentals of C. Begin by understanding variables, data types, and operators, which are the building blocks of any program. Next, practice control flow using loops like for and while, and conditional statements such as if else. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to working through small coding exercises to solidify your understanding and build muscle memory. After grasping the basics, it's time to delve into more advanced topics and start building projects. Explore functions to organize your code, understand arrays for collections of data, and master pointers, which are crucial for memory management in C. Try implementing basic data structures like linked lists. Then, challenge yourself to develop simple command line applications directly on your phone, applying what you've learned. To ensure continuous growth, leverage available resources. Utilize online tutorials, video courses, and the official C documentation to deepen your knowledge. Joining mobile programming communities can provide invaluable support, allowing you to ask questions and share your progress. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and refactor your written code. This practice helps improve code quality and reinforces your understanding of C programming concepts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.